Hi, it's Kelly Scott with Forever Strong, and today I want to demonstrate the pendulum swing and show you how to get the most out of it. So this is what the pendulum swing looks like. Okay, I'm going to show you from the side. Okay, the purpose of the pendulum swing, one, it's an awesome lower body burner. So the longer you stay down in this position, your thighs are really going to feel that high tension. But it also is a preliminary movement for the full kettlebell swing that teaches you how to master the hinge position while you're loading your hamstrings. And so you can start with a light weight, but you're quickly going to move up to a heavy weight that forces you to really push it back and get grounded as the kettlebell comes forward. So first step in this is you're going to go ahead and place the kettlebell a little bit in front of you. Have your feet not super wide apart, but just wide enough to be able to get into that position and move the kettlebell between your legs. A good way to do that is after you hinge back, widen your knees a little bit. A lot of people have a tendency to let their knees collapse like this, but with your feet on the ground, you're going to press your knees open. That's going to help you get more stability, and you're going to feel it back there just by doing that one thing. Then grab the kettlebell and watch me rock back to start. Did you see that weight shift? So I'm going to stay and maintain that weight shift while I use my lats to force the kettlebell through my legs. Let's talk about the location of where you're putting the kettlebell. When I force the kettlebell through my legs, pushing and holding that position, my fingertips are going to go through my thighs, just like when you did banded swings. And you're going to push it, hold it for just a second, and then slowly rock back as that kettlebell moves forward. It's a pendulum because you're allowing the weight of the kettlebell to swing forward itself. You are not pushing it forward and back. The only move you're performing is the push back with a little bit of a hold. Then you're going to relax your arms as it comes forward and push back again. So now with that explanation, watch me do it again. I'm not moving it forward. I'm pushing it back through my thighs. Meanwhile, I'm maintaining this flat back and this deep hinge. I hope that helps. Give these tips a try. If you have any questions, just ask your trainers. We're here to help.